Before you buy any web hosting, watch this because you might be overpaying. Right now, Hostinger is giving up to 85% off on their premium plans, but here's how you can unlock an even bigger discount. Use the link in my description, and when you reach checkout, apply the coupon code VIP4U. This gives you an extra 10% off on top of the already discounted price. So you're basically getting high-quality hosting at a fraction of the original cost. You also get free extra months added to your plan, fast and reliable performance, an easy-to-use dashboard perfect for beginners, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free. This is perfect if you want to start a blog, launch a business website, or build an online store without spending too much. Don't wait too long because these discounts don't last forever. Click the link in the description, use the code VIP4U, and lock in your deal today. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tools, and deals.